Hi, this is Steve with Jetters Northwest, and we're on the floor here at the big wet trade show in Indianapolis, Indiana. And standing here with our Brute Series jetters. They're developed to be portable carts and or mountable skid units for your van or your truck. And these have become very popular, and we really appreciate how these have been received into the market. One thing I like to point out that a lot of people still don't maybe realize is these really have the same frame. This frame and this frame are really exactly the same. They are set up to accept the wheels, the axles. We have a brake on here and a set of handles for when it is a portable cart. But even if you purchase it that way, you could strip all this off, and it has mounting holes, and it is suited to be mounted as they are the same frame, and vice versa. If you purchase it as a skid and later decided, well, I'd really like this to be a portable, you can get what we call a portability kit and all the hardware to simply bolt up and make it a cart here. So I'll just show you here the mobility of this unit. And as I pull it forward, even though the unit is well over 400 pounds, it's very easy to move. Even when we add water to the buffer tank and it gets over 500 pounds, very easy to move around. Another approach, by the way, is you can kind of have your cake and eat it too. Just because you purchase it as a portable doesn't mean you have to take it out of the truck every time. We have a lot of customers that are utilizing this as really a van skid, and then because of all of the controls are on the front panels, you can just open the door and operate these jetters. And of course we have wireless remote control for both versions, as they really are the same inherent machine. But if you have those jobs, say in a multi-unit housing or whatnot, and you just can't get your truck close enough to where you want to do the work, having that portability can be very nice. Just wanted to go over our Brute Series jetters with you again. 9 gallons a minute, 4,000 PSI, 12 gallons a minute at 3,000 PSI, or vice versa. And lots of versatility and options for those jetting jobs. Thanks for watching. Have a super day.